Hey, I'm Nels Donovan.
Matt Suing, Estate Law Partners.
You know, the internet offers the information and tools we need at our fingertips to create our own estate plan, right?
Yeah, for most people, this is simply not true. We are going to outline half a dozen reasons why DIY estate planning may not work out.
Well, actually, we only have 6 reasons.
Well, isn't 6 half a dozen?
Well, see, there's more than one way of saying things, and it's important to be precise in our language, especially when it comes to your important legal documents.
Several years ago, Consumer Reports created wills using the forms provided by DIY websites and asked 3 law professors to review them. Although the professors found that the wills drafted using the DIY services were better than wills drafted by non-lawyers on their own, they were inadequate to fully meet the needs of most consumers.
Although your DIY estate plan may initially only cost about $50, it may end up being much, much more expensive than an estate plan designed by an experienced estate planning attorney.
Reason number 1, wills are only one part of a comprehensive estate plan that fully protects you and your family.
Even if your DIY will meets all of your state requirements and is legally valid, the will alone is unlikely to be sufficient to address all of your estate planning needs.
Furthermore, DIY packages you can buy online that purport to be comprehensive may not include important documents that you may be unaware that you need.
As a non-lawyer, you have not received the legal training and are unlikely to know which documents you need to fully plan for the future.
And this isn't a criticism. An estate planning attorney doesn't know how to fly a plane.
Well, actually, I
do know how to fly a plane. So maybe perform surgery or create a delicious creme brulee.
Can't do it.
Without the necessary training and experience.
Without expertise in a particular area, we simply don't know what we don't know. And this could lead to unnecessary heartache for you and your family and the loved ones you will leave behind one day.
Reason number 2, DIY estate plans may not conform to the applicable law.
You know, the law that applies to estate planning is determined by each state, and there can be wide variations in the law from state to state.
Although the forms you can find on the internet may claim to conform to your state's laws, this may not always be the case. In addition, if you own property in another state or country, the laws in those jurisdictions may differ significantly, and your DIY estate plan may not adequately account for them.
Contact us today so we can help provide you and your family with the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you have an estate plan that accomplishes your goals and will avoid unnecessary attorney fees, headaches, or conflict for your grieving family when you pass away. Visit estatelawpartners.com today and press the Get Started button and reach out to us and we can help your family.